What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to invite your friend to the city in MyCareer in NB2K26. So first open the social menu. To do that, press the left and right bumpers at the same time on Xbox or L1 and R1 together on PlayStation. This will open the social page. Next, we need to switch to the friends tab. You can do that by pressing the right bumper on Xbox or R1 on PlayStation. Once you're on the friends page, you'll see a list of all your friends here. Simply select the friend you wanna invite to the city and you'll see the option to send an invite. Now if the person you wanna invite isn't on your friends list but you know their username, don't worry, you can still invite them. Just use the search option at the top of the screen, enter their name carefully, and if you type it correctly, you should be able to find them. Sometimes you might see multiple players with the same name. That's normal. You can still choose the correct one and send the invite from there. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and like this video. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.